Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that may seem worlds apart at first, blockchain and Hadith authentication. But what if I told you that these two systems share something truly remarkable in common? Yes, they both rely on a decentralized model to verify authenticity. Intrigued? Stick with me till the end because you'll want to hear how these two concepts are more alike than you think. Let's start with blockchain. At its core, blockchain is all about decentralization. It's a system where no single party has control. Instead, information is verified and validated by a global network of computers or nodes. This decentralized approach ensures transparency, security, and trust in digital transactions. Now, let's bring in the fascinating parallel with Hadith authentication. The process of transmitting Hadith is also decentralized, just like blockchain. After the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, delivered his teachings, they were passed down through his companions, the Sahaba, who then transmitted them to later generations. This means that Hadith, like blockchain transactions, is validated through multiple independent sources. No single individual or authority controls the process, creating a system of trust that spans across generations. Just as blockchain relies on multiple nodes to verify each transaction, Hadith relies on the isnad, the chain of narrators. Each Hadith must be traced back to its original source, ensuring that every link in the chain is trustworthy. The process requires checking the reliability of each narrator and confirming that no falsehoods were introduced at any point. In blockchain, if one node tries to alter the data, the whole system will detect the tampering. Similarly, in Hadith, if one narrator is found to be unreliable, the entire Hadith is called into question. This decentralization of trust ensures that the final information is authentic, whether it's a digital record or a sacred narration. Another similarity is how both systems prevent tampering. In blockchain, once data is added to the chain, it cannot be altered. This immutability ensures that what's recorded stays secure and unchangeable. Similarly, once a hadith is authenticated through its isnad and deemed reliable by scholars, it becomes a fixed record. This process ensures that the original message from the prophet remains intact, free from distortion, just as blockchain guarantees the integrity of digital transactions. So, why is decentralization so important in both blockchain and hadith? For blockchain, it's about removing the need for a central authority, meaning no single entity can manipulate the data. For Hadith, it's about ensuring the teachings of the Prophet were passed down through many trustworthy individuals so that no single person could alter the message. This decentralized approach in both systems builds a foundation of trust that spans across time and space. Blockchain builds trust digitally, while Hadith authentication builds trust through a historical human network. So, whether it's the digital world of blockchain or the centuries-old tradition of Hadith, the core principle of decentralization shines through. Both systems rely on a wide network of verifiers to ensure trust and authenticity. Whether it's keeping digital transactions secure or preserving religious teachings, the idea of decentralization has been key to maintaining integrity in both worlds. How amazing is it that something as ancient as Hadith authentication and something as modern as blockchain share such a critical concept? It's a powerful reminder that the principles of trust, transparency, and integrity are timeless. If you found this comparison as interesting as I did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to hear your thoughts on how other ancient systems might align with modern technologies like blockchain. And as always, share this video with anyone who's curious about the connections between technology and history. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.